Hi, my name is Abhik Ray, and I have suffered this chronic pain related issue, which I thought was more related to my shoulder, neck, and back for almost 7-8 years now. I had no idea about 1 year ago that this could be anything related to the jaw or anything related. I've gone to doctors so many times, but I was not able to figure out what the actual reason was for a lot of symptoms like pain and tightness. I've been suffering only on the right side of my body from top to bottom, and any doctors I've gone to before this also, it's not a very well-known thing. It's a very rare thing, and we've not been able to diagnose for so long. But about 1 year back, I got to know that it could be related to the jaw, and I had to find, again, even related to the jaw and TMJ, I had to find the right doctor because not a lot of doctors know about the relation of the jaw and problems and effects it can have, like wide ranging, very difficult to explain, like even in the hip or back, shoulder, and like pain all through the body. Like it's very rare to find a doctor who could even understand this. So when I came to Kigo with Dr. Kishore, I found it out with actually ChatGPT, like just to find the doctor who would understand. And when I came and saw their intake form only, I knew that like this is the right place, because even the questionnaire and like everything, where all the pain is in the body, all the questions on the questionnaire, I knew that they were very well aware of the posture related and other issues that can happen because of TMJ. That is very rare. This kind of issue is also, I first found out just a couple of weeks before coming here from Posture Research Restoration Institute, Neil Hanlon. And after that, when I came here, like talking to Dr. Kishore was also just like really nice, because it's very hard to find a doctor that's so understanding about. And he talked for over an hour, maybe even two. He talked to me about all the issues. He understood, he listened so much, and then he was explaining from his end also the science behind it and how it can happen, how it's not very common, it's not easy to find a doctor for it. And then he discussed all the possible solutions. And the final solution, surprisingly, I've tried everything over the last 8 years, because if it's a problem, pain problem, you're suffering 24/7, it affects you so much that I've tried everything from like even acupuncture or physiotherapy for months, yoga and everything. And things help. I go for massages, things give temporary relief, but nothing really fixes the root cause. And the root cause, now I can say very clearly after 1 year, was just related to my TMJ and my jaw. And this orthotic that Kigo helped me get, they took an imprint and everything of my custom teeth, and they made an orthotic I'm wearing right now also. At this point, it's not very easy to tell also, but I'm wearing it on my lower teeth. And just this, over the last 11 months, has improved most of the symptoms by 80-90%, some even more. So it's definitely working. The first time, the estimate that Dr. Kishore gave me was also 1.5 years for most of the symptoms, and I'm maybe 6 months remaining. I'm quite positive, which is very different from 1 year ago. I was in a very different mental state. I was because nothing had worked. So it wasn't something very easy to go through, because you don't know the root cause and all these symptoms. And if you get a scan also, you're not getting something very conclusive. So now, and one more thing Dr. Kishore recommended was just do this one treatment, then you'll be sure of the root cause instead of going and trying like 10 different things. So now, over the last 1 year, I can say with a quite high degree of confidence that just because of this, even something that seems very unrelated on my knee, jaw, hip, shoulder, upper back, all the symptoms have improved so much. I'm just looking forward for like, what does it feel like in 1 year when I think most of the symptoms are gone. So yeah, quite positive and excited about it, and I'm really glad I found this place. That's it. Thank you.